Hello, I learned A, B, C, A to Z. Lowercase letter A. A is for apple. B. B is for balloon. C. C is for cat. D. D is for doll. E. E is for egg. F. F is for flag. G. G is for goat. H. H is for hat. I is for insect. J is for jelly. K is for kite. L is for lamb. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O is for octopus. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for ring. S is for snow. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for water. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. W is for water. Let's repeat, learn. Please subscribe me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I meet you next video. See you. Bye-bye.